Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here, what happened? Yesterday, that candle here. Then today, look at the market tail where it went. It went tail here. There, it's staying here. And if you notice here down, the volume here, it's very, very, very low. That meant there is no big power in the market, guys. So there is no one buying yet. I think everything is too clear till now here. And today, guys, the weekly candle is going to finish it. So I'm going to come back to you. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, guys. Because every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. And as you see, guys, here, the volume is very, very low, or the volatility, or no one buying. Everyone is waiting. So there is something major coming, guys. So you need to make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you. And here, guys, in the daily, we're still in a downtrend, unless if the market came and breaking for us. The one me I'm talking about the short-term trend, the long-term is that one, is the 200. So if it's breaking here, that level here, we are going to enter. And that one is going to be the future entry here in the daily, guys. If it fall down, also we are not going to enter. Tail is going to give us a price action as being broken, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now, let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there. For the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. And in 4 hours, the last video used to be here in that zone. And I told you it's going to fall down. Let me zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you. In the last video, it used to be here, guys. Then look at it. It fall down tail here. And it give us that pin bar, that one. It's near to finish. And look here what the Bitcoin trying to give you, guys. I'll show you that one, but it's okay to show it again. You got here a flag as you see it. So if it's being broken up, the Bitcoin is going to go higher. And another thing here in the 4 hours, you got a very clear head and shoulder like that. As you see it, it hasn't been broken the top of it here. So it needs to come to break for you here, for you to enter long, guys. By the way, to know the head and shoulder is very simple. You just came here, you change them from candle to lines. Like that. And let's zoom it a little bit like that and see. Look with me. I'll not draw it on top of it. I will draw it next to it. Look here, guys. Here. That one, the first shoulder. Look here. That one is the head. And look here is the second shoulder, guys. I think now it's very clear for you. You saw it or not? Here, the shoulder. Second shoulder. And here down is the head. And that one, if it's being broken, you just came to the top of it. That one, by the way, that one, we call it the neck level. And if it's being broken here, you calculating from the neckline till the lowest point in the head, like that. And you draw it in the place where it's going to be broken. Let's say here. So the Bitcoin is going to go till here, guys, based on that head and shoulder here. Everything is too clear. It's going to go till 19,600, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. By the way, you, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it, helping us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please helping up that channel by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could share the video. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go in now to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we used to be here in the middle, and what me told you, and for the people that been following us, when we are here, there is nothing to do. We just need to wait, guys, because here at that level here in the middle, both of them, the buyers and the sellers, they are equal, and also we are not going to buy now, and we are not going to sell. I think everything is too clear. The buying, it needs to be in the top here, and the selling, it needs to be where the bears, the controlling, guys. So till now here, both of them equal, no one of them is winning, so also we are not going to enter. And even the volume and the chart, they show you that the market is very, very, very flat, guys. There is no one buying, no one selling. Everyone is waiting weekly candle, how it's going to end up, and the monthly, how it's going to come. So I think everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. The one here, guys, as you see it, also we enter here at the oversold area. That's the first condition. Second condition, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Third condition is the price action. The price action is that one, as you see it, guys. Here's that triangle also we draw in here. If it doesn't be broken here, guys, also we are not going to enter. It needs to be broken here, guys. Look at it very, very, very close. It might that one to come down and to break down. That's why I told you need to wait it, because those ones down, they are just oscillators and they don't work in all the time. The only thing working every time is the price action, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. By the way, did you smash the like button? Yes, you. I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, my friend, helping us. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to see 30 minutes, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Last video, what did I told you here? I told you, got a flag. If it's broken down, you enter short. It's breaking here, guys. Look at it here. In that zone here, it's being broken. It went all down here, so you will have to take some profit here. Now here, what it given us, guys. Look at it now. Another very clear flag, guys. Yes or no? It's a very, very, very clear flag here in 30 minutes. And another thing here, look at it with me here. Let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. What you see in here, guys? Here, here, and here. That's a cup and handle, guys. If it came and breaking for you here, you can enter long, guys, because our indicator is at the oversold area, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touch here the oversold area, and here it's showing a rejection from the 200 moving average. Because if you try to analyze the price action, which is here, look the price, it break in the 200, he couldn't break it down, then here it stay the 200 moving average, it's reacting here like a very stronger support, guys. Because before it used to be a resistance. Look at it here and here, it used to be a resistance, yes or no? Look here and look here. Now when it's getting broke, it's become like a support. Look at it now. Now we need to break that last high here. Then you're going to see the Bitcoin going till here, guys. Till that place here. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.